with Gloria. Cooking with Gloria. A woman, a chef, she's your friend. Cooking with Gloria. Sharing family recipes for you to make. So many recipes, you'll find something for you. Gloria. Sharing family recipes for you to make. So many recipes, you'll find something for you.
Hello,
Cooking
my
with
friends. Welcome
Gloria.
back to Cooking with Gloria. Today, I want to share with you a very refreshing lemonade. The combination is perfect. Mango and passion fruit lemonade that I know you guys are going to love, especially in this hot weather. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients.
Cooking with Gloria. Cooking with Gloria. A woman, a chef, she's your friend. Cooking with Gloria. Sharing family recipes for you to make. With Gloria. Sharing family recipes for you to make. So many recipes.
I first want to start by making my simple syrup. Very easy, but yes, you use less sugar. 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1 cup of water, let it boil. Once it's boiling, turn it off, put it aside, and let it come to room temperature. Well, that's done. I'm going to continue with my organic lemons. And let me tell you, they are small, but they have a lot of juice and no seeds. That's even better. So here with this little gadget, I'm gonna get all the juice out of the lemons. Once you have about 1.5 cups, put it aside. And now I'm gonna continue with my passion fruit. When you see them wrinkled just like this is the perfect time. It even has the little piece of vine. It is actually delicious and sweet when they're nice and wrinkled. So if you have passion fruits and they're wrinkled, put them aside, make yourself desserts with them. They're going to be nice and sweet. So here I'm going to get all that amazing pulp out of every single passion fruit. These are organic from my garden. Yes. You might be thinking that I have a really huge garden. No, my garden is small, but I have in every little corner, I have a tree or a vine. And here I have my passion fruit that I usually, when it gives me too much, I give to my neighbors, I give to my family, and the rest I open and freeze it in the freezer. I get all the pulp out and I put it in the freezer in little Ziplocs. So all year around, I have passion fruit to make my desserts and to enjoy with my beautiful family. Well, I'll stay getting all the passion fruit out, all the pulp out, and I'll see you when I'm done. I'm done with the passion fruit. I'm going to continue with my mangoes. And of course, these are organic mangoes from my garden. Let me tell you, it has so much mangoes. This weekend, I gave my family a lot of mangoes. And today I said, let me make a mango passion fruit lemonade. Look at this. In total, I used 3 mangoes. And now I am going to add some water. I'm going to add a pinch of salt. Always add a pinch of salt to your lemonades. This is going to bring the acidity down of the lemon. So here I'm going to add the pinch of salt, and I am going to blend until it's nice and smooth. I don't want it chunky. I want it really smooth for this amazing lemonade. Look at this. So easy to prepare, and you have control of how much sugar you add to your lemonades when you make them at home. So here I am ready to go, ready to start making my amazing mango passion fruit lemonade. And now I have all the ingredients ready. I have my passion fruit, all the pulp of the passion fruit. I have my lemon juice, my mango puree. And now this is the best part. Look how thick and smooth it is. And now I'm ready to add the ingredients. Of course, the simple syrup. I'm going to add the lemon juice. I'm going to go ahead and add the passion fruit, the simple syrup we made at the beginning of the video, and I am going to incorporate. This looks amazing, and you could really smell the aroma of the passion fruit. So concentrated. My kitchen smells amazing. I'm going to incorporate it really good. And in total, I am adding 1 liter of water. Look at this. Amazing. This is the part I really love and enjoy, making my lemonades at home. And if you got to this part of the video, like, subscribe, and share. This is the only way you could help Cooking with Gloria continue growing. Thank you so much for your support. I really appreciate it. And now that I have everything in here, I'm ready to pour into a pitcher. But on the pitcher, I'm not going to add any ice because my family will come later. And I don't want to dilute this amazing lemonade. Look how beautiful this looks. And the flavor, I'm sure, is going to be delicious. I am ready to pour. And of course, on my glass, I'm going to add enough ice. I love enjoying it just with a lot of ice, nice and cold. And it's so hot here in California that I'm really going to enjoy this lemonade. I hope you make it. I hope you enjoy it with your beautiful family. I'm ready for the presentation. I'll see you in just a little bit.
Cooking with Gloria. Cooking with Gloria. A woman, a chef, she's your friend. Cooking with Gloria. Sharing family recipes for you to make. So many recipes, you'll find something for you. Cooking with Gloria. Cooking with Gloria. Cooking with Gloria. A woman, a chef, she's your friend. Cooking with Gloria. Sharing family recipes for you to make. So many recipes, you'll find something for you. Cooking with Gloria.
My friends, I am completely done with this amazing, refreshing mango passion fruit lemonade. Let me tell you, this is the part I love and enjoy. It's so hot outside here in California that I am really going to enjoy this amazing mango passion fruit lemonade. Excuse me. The flavor is amazing. What a perfect combination. If you liked and loved this amazing agua fresca, like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to push that notification bell. And if you did, leave it activated. So every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.
She's your friend. Cooking with Gloria. Share